Does the whole conversation of marketing versus non-marketing contacts confuse the heck out of you? Wondering if you even have that feature in HubSpot? Maybe watching this right now and thinking, what the heck are you even talking about, Dan? Then stick around, my HubSpot friends. Stick around. We're about to dive in. In today's video, I'm going to cover several of the HubSpot FAQs around marketing contacts. So first, what the heck is a marketing contact in HubSpot? Well, in your hub, you can create or set certain contacts as marketing contacts and others as non-marketing to control the number of contacts that count towards your contact tier and who your users can actually contact for marketing. I mean, seems simple enough, right? But there's a lot of questions around this. Contacts with the marketing status property value set to yes are eligible for certain marketing tools. And of course, the largest of these is your marketing email tool used for your lead nurturing strategy. You do have a lead nurturing strategy, right? All right, moving on. But marketing contacts will also count toward your contact tier. By default, all users have permission to set contacts as marketing or non-marketing, but this can be changed if need be. Look how to change that default setting. Check the links below. So when the property value is set to no, the contact is a non-marketing contact in HubSpot. A non-marketing contacts cannot be used with those marketing tools and will not count towards your marketing contact tier. Sales communication for the win, right? Am I right? Right? We're going to win that. If you get value out of this video, hit that like, hit subscribe, and hit that bell for instant notifications for fresh content in the future. So at this point, you might be asking the question, do I have access to marketing and non-marketing contacts in my HubSpot Hub? Do I even have that? Well, here's how you can tell if you don't know. In your HubSpot account, click your account name in the top right corner, then click account and billing. Now under products and add-ons, your Marketing Hub subscription will have that information. Now, if you have access to marketing contacts, you'll actually see marketing contacts stated in your description. If you don't have access to marketing contacts, but you would like to, I'm sure you probably ought to reach out to HubSpot. They probably want to hear from you. I've got one last FAQ I want to cover, but first, one for you. You may have additional questions about marketing and non-marketing contacts in HubSpot after watching this video. If you do, make sure to go watch the video by my good friend George B. Thomas, my colleague, the HubSpot Ninja. The link is in the description below where he does a deep dive into this conversation. And let me tell you, I've been using HubSpot since 2010. I know a little bit, but he taught me so much more. So watch that. Now, if you have marketing contacts, you might be wondering, how do I monitor them? Great question, Stan, or Sally, or Tomat, whoever you are watching. Of course, we've got your back. To monitor your marketing contacts, you can actually view your count of marketing contacts at any time on your account and billing page or with a dashboard report. Also, HubSpot will send you notifications as the count of marketing contacts approaches your contact tier limit. Quick question for you. How are you generating leads for your marketing and sales departments? Do you wish it was better? Let us know in the comments below. Once again, if you get value out of today's video, make sure you give it a like for us. We appreciate that. Hit that subscribe for yourself and hit that bell as well for instant notifications in the future. Make sure you head over to Impulse Creative or Sprocket Talk. Our websites have tons of valuable resources to help your business achieve smarter growth. And make sure you keep watching tutorials like this to grow your own personal knowledge as well. I'm Dan, and I'm so grateful that you're here, and I can't wait to watch you do some happy HubSpotting. Cheers.